Here's a structured set of rules for playing Element Fusion, the ultimate chemistry card game, using periodic table cards. Objective: the goal is to strategically combine element cards to create valid chemical compounds. Players earn points based on speed, complexity, and element variety. The player with the highest score at the end of the game wins. Setup: firstly, choose a deck. Decide whether to play with all of 118 elements, 94 naturally occurring elements. Third is a specific group of elements, for example, alkali metals, halogens, transition metals, etc. Shuffle the deck, mix the selected element cards thoroughly. Draw cards. Each player draws a set number of cards from the deck, for example, 5 or 10. Then there is a gameplay: forming compounds. Using only the drawn cards, players attempt to form a real chemical compounds. For example, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, H2O, HCl. Compounds must follow real world chemical formulas and bonding rules. Scoring: points are awarded based on speed. First player to create a valid compound earn bonus point. Complexity: more complex compounds with multiple atoms score higher. Element variety: using diverse elements increase the score. Turn system: that is the optional. Players may play simultaneously or take turns within a set of times. For example, 1 minute round. Special rules: if players unable to form a compound, they must draw additional element card. Reaction bonus: if a player creates a compound that reacts with another player's compound, they receive extra points. The game can end after a set number of rounds, for example, 5 rounds, or when a player reaches a predetermined score. For example, let's a player reach a 50 points. The player with highest score wins. Example for the round: let us say assume a 5 cards of hydrogen, oxygen, sodium, chlorine, and carbon. Player 1 creates sodium chloride, that is salt, but player 2 creates H2O water. Player 1 score 10 points, first compound. Player 2 scores 15 points, more complexity. Variations: timed mode. Players must create compound within a short time limit. Challenge mode. Players must create a compound based on a given category.